I'm going to show you how to get affiliate marketing traffic 100% free. That way you can generate an unlimited amount of leads and traffic to any offer that you have. And I'm going to show you how to do that without having a website, without showing your face, or without making any videos yourself. Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and the purpose of this channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom. I was actually able to leave my 9-to-5 job that paid me $80,000 a year within 9 months. So the purpose of this channel is to help you get out of your job just like I did. All right, so before I show you how to unlock an unlimited amount of traffic to your affiliate links, the first thing that you need is an offer. Now, I have a ton of videos on my YouTube channel showing you how to find an offer, whether it's an offer on clickbank.com, Digistore24, or you're offering a private high ticket offer such as Legendary Marketer or the 72-hour challenge or Freedom Accelerator. Again, I have a ton of videos talking about how to find an offer, so make sure you have a solid offer before trying to generate traffic. And if you're still not sure, the first link down in the YouTube description shows you exactly the best high ticket offers and how you can clone my exact business as your own. That's going to be linked in the YouTube description. But with that being said, let's get into how to get unlimited affiliate traffic. All right, so step number one to getting unlimited amounts of traffic to your affiliate link is to go to youtube.com. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the search bar and type in whatever your niche is. So if you have a weight loss niche, you're going to type in weight loss. If you're trying to show people how to make money online, you're going to say something like how to make money online. Or let's just say you're in the cryptocurrency niche, you'll type in the search bar cryptocurrency. So for this example, I'm going to choose Freedom Accelerator or the 72-hour challenge, which shows people how to leave their 9-to-5 job. So what I'm going to do here is say how to make money online, something super general. And then after the keyword is I want to do hashtag shorts. So you're going to hit enter and you're going to see a ton of shorts showing people how to make money online. But this is what you need to do next. Okay, so at the top here, you're going to want to go to filters. Now this part is super important, so make sure that you do this. You'll see that it says filters here. You're going to click on that and you're going to click on Creative Commons. So if we go to Google and actually look up Creative Commons, you'll notice that Creative Commons means you can use it as your own content, meaning you don't have to create the videos yourself. You could literally take these videos and use them as your own. And as you can see, this is coming directly from YouTube or google.com. You'll notice it says here, by making your original video with Creative Commons license, you're granting the entire YouTube community the right to reuse and edit the video, meaning that you could take any videos that are labeled under Creative Commons and you could use them as your own. So let me show you exactly what to do next. That way you can get traffic to your affiliate links. Now, going back to the YouTube search, remember we want to type in whatever your niche is. So how to make money online, and then you want to put hashtag shorts because short form videos are extremely hot right now. So again, if you're in the weight loss niche, type in how to lose weight, hashtag shorts, and you could use any of these videos. But remember, you have to click on Creative Commons, and then that means you could use the video as your own. Okay, so now we just want to scroll through here and see which videos we can use as our own. Okay, these are literally our videos. Okay, that's the cool thing about Creative Commons. So what I like to do here is look for videos that have lots of views, something that I could use. So check this out. This one has 147,000 views. Okay, it says making money online. So let's just say, as an example, we want to use this video right here. What we want to do is click on this video and see that link at the top. Okay, this is the actual link to the video. We want to copy this link here, and then we're going to go to this website called shortsnoob.com. So what this allows you to do, it allows you to download this YouTube short. That way now it's on your computer. So now what we can do is type in the link here. Okay, so we're going to search, and then what we're going to do is we're going to download this video. So it says video and audio 720 download. We're going to go ahead and download this exact video. This is going to download directly to my computer. All right, so once you download the video, you can obviously go and take this video and upload it directly yourself. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Canva and we're gonna change it up a little bit. We're gonna add some text. That way we can make it more our own. Okay, so what we wanna do here in the search bar on Canva, we wanna type in shorts, okay? Because we wanna make sure that we have the right dimensions for this video. So you'll see it says YouTube Shorts. We wanna do create a blank YouTube template. So this one right here, we're going to click on that. And once we get here, we can go ahead and upload our video. So we're going to go to upload right here and we're still upload files and we're going to upload the video that we got. Okay. So it's going to upload as you can see right now. This is doing it in real time. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and drag that over here. Okay, now what I want to do here, guys, is this is pretty cool. So we make the video, we're going to make this like that. Now what we want to do is we want to add some text that's going to get people to want to go to our affiliate links. Now depending on what you're offering, you want to make sure this text is going to get people to watch the video and then go and click on your link. So for example, I'm going to be using the 72-hour challenge to get people to buy that. Now one of the ways I get people to buy the 72-hour challenge or Freedom Accelerator is by giving them a free lead magnet. Okay, so in this case, I actually give out a free course just to get people on my email list. Now, if you haven't seen my videos where I talk about the power of building an email list, make sure you check those out first, or again, click the first link in the YouTube description because I show you the power of building an email list. More importantly, I allow you to clone my entire 7-figure business as your own. So going back to the video, what we're going to do is I'm going to give people access to a free course. So this is something of high value that gets people to want to click on the link and enter their email. So let me show you. So again, we downloaded this Creative Commons video from YouTube. Now what we want to do here is we want to go to elements here on the left side. And what we're going to do is click on, let's just say this square button, and we're going to add a square here. Okay, so let me show you what we're going to do. We're going to add something at the top here. And then what we can do is we could even add something at the bottom. Okay, let's just make this color white. That way it stands out. So we're going to make that white. We're going to make this white as well. And then what we want to do is add some sort of text. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to go to text here on the left hand side where it says add a heading. We're going to add a heading. Okay, so what I want to do here is make this black and say free course. And I'm going to go ahead and copy that. See profile for access. Okay, something like that. Okay, see profile for access. Let's go ahead and let me make this a little bit smaller. That way it fits. See profile for access. Okay, so now what's cool is you'll notice there's an entire video that we got from YouTube, but now we're adding our own call to action. Okay, now what we can do here, we can even get more creative. We can go to elements and type in, you know, let's just say an arrow, or we'll put down, so we could even put something like these arrows here. That way we could tell people, hey, there's a free course in the bio. You can kind of get creative using Canva. Okay, so now all you have to do is go to share and then download this video. This is going to be a video. So over here under download, we could go ahead and hit download and it's going to download the entire video. All right, so the reason we added this right here, the C profile for access, is because we're going to now use Instagram to get people to click on our affiliate link. And this is going to be 100% free. So if I go to Instagram, you'll notice this is one of my profiles here. Now, you're going to want to do something similar. Again, if you're in the weight loss niche or the make money online, what's really important is you want to add a strong profile bio. Okay, so you'll notice here, I kind of mentioned who I am, right? I say I'm a broke 9-to-5er to 7 figures. More importantly, I talk about how I can help somebody, right? So I say, I help you quit your job by cloning my 7-figure business. Okay, and then of course I have a link here which allows them to clone my entire business. Now, if you're in the weight loss niche, right, yours is going to be a little bit different, right? Yours might be, so right here, you're going to want to say something like, hey, I lost, 60 pounds in 90 days. And then you say, something right, I can help you lose weight with my 3-step framework, okay? And then of course, if you have a free course or whatever affiliate program that you have to offer, that's going to go right here. Again, this is the most important part, is the offer, right? The affiliate product that you're promoting, okay? So make sure that you set up your Instagram profile to have all that stuff, okay? It's fairly simple to do. I'm not going to go super in depth with that, but the most important part I want to mention is now you want to upload that video that you got from Canva. Now, you can upload it directly on Instagram desktop, or you can do it on your phone. But you'll notice here, if I go to create here on the bottom left, it says post and then select from computer. And I'm going to get the video here that I got. So as you can see, I got the video from Canva and there it is, right? So now I have the entire video done. I can hit next. And then I just can write a caption, right? So whatever the video is about, and I got to make sure I watch the video to make sure, you know, but it basically says sites that can earn you more income. So I put top sites to make money online. This is the value part of the video, but then you could say, I have a free course showing you how to get started. Check profile to get access, okay? So again, the goal here is we're using someone else's content, but the cool thing is this is legit, right? You can actually use this content. It's not like you're stealing content. It's literally says in the Google terms of services that you can use this content. Then we're putting it on Canva. That way we can kind of add our own flair, right? I added all this right here, okay? So you could even use that same template and all you have to do is just add another video, right? So for example, if I go back over here, I can go and find the next video, right? Let's just say I want to use this video. I can go in and download it the way I showed you earlier. All I have to do is just basically insert this video here and keep all this stuff, okay? Depending on how you want to do that. But that's all you have to do. And then of course, if you want to add some hashtags here, we can do that. And you basically post the video and the goal is to then get people to go to this link, right? The goal of our affiliate marketing business is to build the email list, right? That's the main goal. That's what you should be trying to do, not just getting affiliate commissions, but you want to build your email list. Now, of course, what you want to do now is continue to post. You want to post at least 3 to 4 videos per day, especially if you're not the one creating the videos. You can go to YouTube and get pretty much an unlimited amount of content, right? You could even switch out the search terms. Instead of how to make money online, Creative Commons, you could search, you know, the best side hustles, Creative Commons. Same thing with weight loss, right? You could say how to lose belly fat and then hashtag shorts and then Creative Commons. And then you could look for best way to lose weight and then hashtag shorts. So there's an abundant amount of videos, an abundant amount of traffic that you could generate with this method. Now, as a bonus tip, you could also add this to your arsenal. So basically, you'll notice I have a ton of videos and you could go ahead and add videos. But what I like to do is add these Twitter style posts. So you'll notice here, I have kind of these Twitter looking posts right here, which again, I don't have to make these videos. I don't have to record my face, anything like that. These are literally just text that I can create in Canva as well. Okay, so the only difference here is if I go to Canva, I just put Instagram square and then type it on Instagram post. Here we go. So here's the templates that we can use to basically write our post. Okay, so if I even go to create an Instagram post here, I could go and then just write some simple text just like I did right here. Now, the cool thing about these type of posts is they actually get a lot of comments. So you'll notice here, like this one, all I said was, want to see how YouTube allowed me to quit my job. I made a free training, comment YouTube training down below. So then, you know, people go and type in YouTube training or whatever it is, and I could go DM them, I could message them, I could comment back. And this becomes a very powerful strategy because what I'm doing now is I'm posting all these videos from YouTube, I'm downloading them, other people's content. And then of course, then I'm making these Twitter style posts with a call to action. So that's my bonus tip for you, is doing something like, again, like this, where you can go ahead and, you know, create these call to actions. Now, if you don't know how to do this, here's a way that you can do that. If you go to ChatGPT, you could actually ask it to create a call to action, or you could ask it to create an Instagram post, right? So if I say something like, create an Instagram Instagram post on how to quit your job. I have a free course showing how as the call to action. So now you can see here, it's giving me some ideas. So you can see here, it says, it's time to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and seize the life you've always dreamed of, right? So, you know, sometimes it's kind of long, you could shorten it, but you'll notice here, it gives you a ton of ideas. I can even say, make it shorter, make it shorter. If you're not sure, like, you know, how to do the copywriting part of it, but you'll notice here, there it is. Ever dreamt of a life beyond the 9-to-5? Boom. Follow the link in the bio. I have a free course, whatever it is, right? So the cool thing is you can literally ask ChatGPT to write it for you. And then you're going to go to Canva. Like for example, you're going to copy this or whatever it is. Let's just say we copy this. We're going to go to Canva. And again, we could then put the text here. Okay. So super, super simple. Again, you could click on here. You could bold this. You can underline it. Of course, you can make it prettier. You could add your picture in there, you know, all that good stuff. It's very, very easy to do in Canva. And then of course, it's going to look like this. You got your videos now, and you got your call to action, Twitter style posts. And again, you can do this all without having to show your face. Now, of course, the best way to get traffic is to record the videos yourself and, you know, actually show your face. And that way people can resonate with you and your story. But if that's holding you back, if you're scared of getting on camera, because I was as well when I first started, this is a great way to at least start getting some free traffic to your affiliate links. And then of course, once you start making money, once you start getting results, 100% please get on camera. Please show your face. Please tell your story on how you hate your job or whatever it is that you're trying to promote. And if you do want to copy my entire 7-figure business, if you want to clone the exact landing pages, the emails, if you want to give out my own course as your own, then check out the first link in the YouTube description, and it's going to show you exactly how to get started. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video on how to get unlimited traffic 100% free. Thank you so much. God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.